In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Wix Studio. Whether you're working with a team, a client, or just need extra hands to manage your website, Wix Studio makes it simple to invite others to collaborate on your projects, sharing access while maintaining control over who can do what is an essential part of managing any site. And this feature ensures that your workflows are efficient and secure. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to invite collaborators, assign roles based on their responsibilities, and get your team working together seamlessly. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix Studio homepage. This is your starting point for everything Wix related. Once you're there, look toward the top right-hand corner of the page and click on the Login button. Now, if you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. That's your email and password. For those of you who prefer a quicker method, you can use the Continue with Google option to log in with your Google account. Either way, once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Wix Studio dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the dashboard, the next step is to locate the website you want to add collaborators to. To do this, look for the Sites section in the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the websites you currently manage. Take a moment to locate the specific site you want to work on. If you have multiple sites, you can identify the correct one by its name or thumbnail. Once you've found the site, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice that 3 dots appear in the corner of the site card. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with a variety of options. From this menu, select Add Collaborators. This is where you'll be able to invite people to join your project. Now it's time to add your collaborators. In the field provided, enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to invite. Be sure to double-check the spelling to avoid any errors that might prevent your invitations from reaching the right people. You can invite multiple collaborators at once by separating their email addresses with commas. After entering their email addresses, you'll need to assign each collaborator a role. Wix Studio offers several role options, such as editor, developer, or view only. Think carefully about what level of access each person needs. For example, if someone is helping you with design, you might assign them the editor role. If they're working on code, the developer role would be more appropriate. And if someone only needs to view the site without making changes, the view only role is the best fit. These roles help ensure that everyone has the right permissions for their tasks while keeping your site secure. Once you've added the email addresses and assigned roles, the final step is to send the invitations. To do this, simply click the Send Invite button. Wix Studio will take care of the rest. Sending an email invitation to each person on your list, they'll receive a link to join your site as a collaborator. And once they accept, you'll see them appear in your list of team members. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added collaborators to your Wix Studio site. This process is designed to be quick and straightforward, so you can spend less time managing permissions and more time focusing on your project. If you ever need to update roles or remove collaborators, you can revisit this same menu and make the necessary changes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.